Hello, it's Big Chads, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, let's talk about the concept of stair stepping. I've tweeted about it. You may wonder, what is this guy talking about it? What does it mean? Well, Bitcoin, for example, if the 4H is going to stair step, it would be here. What does it mean? What is a stair step? Well, you know what it means to climb a set of stairs. You go up, you take the stairs, you go up, you take the stairs. Now, in trading, it's not exactly that clean. Of course, it never is. But generally speaking, the concept is the same. You move and you have some consolidation and price structure. You come back up. Maybe you come back and retest that structure, and then you continue, have some consolidation, come back and retest that structure, come up consolidation, retest that structure. And essentially what it means is it's the principle of polarity. So the prior resistance turns into support. You see this many times when the price is attempting to come out of a bottom. Comes out of a bottom, it sets the range peak. This is, let's call it a rounding bottom. It comes up, it does whatever it does, comes back and attempts to find support there and continue. That's what you see here on Bitcoin 4H, and as well as I have an example of that here on Link. We see the price of Link is attempting essentially to stair step. We have this double bottom type range. The price bounced. The price was sent back right around $19.5, $20, and it's attempting to stair step to find support here, to come through, maybe pause, high or low, and then break out, consolidate, and come back and test here. This would be a stair step. You start a rising channel. This is an orderly, clean consolidation. We see this a little bit here as well on Bitcoin throughout the various consolidations. Very roughly, this is a stair step of the prior range peak. It didn't quite get there, but we had it for sure coming out of the bottoming range. We set the peak here, it came back, little throwback stair step, throwback stair step. So it's stair stepping out of the bottom range while the price consolidates and continues. So it's a very general idea of what the price is doing, but it's essentially rising, consolidating, coming back and retesting prior levels, which should be support. So when you hear me saying this is stair stepping, that's stair stepping, you essentially understand that the price is in a rising channel and is doing a series of throwbacks to previous resistance. This is the Trading Encyclopedia on my daily education series on my YouTube channel at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you, folks. I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.